Hey guys, second update I wanted to show you. This is the McMead, and I also racked this one on 12/27. No, 12/29 is when I racked this. I stabilized on 12/27. So that date's wrong. I need to change that. But you can barely see because it's low light. Some writing there in the center. But if I put some light on that, that's how well this is already clearing out. You can read the joy of home brewing through this mead. So the McMead is clearing out really, really well. Not so much with my others just yet. Of course, all three of the others actually had some type of additive, bananas, peppers, and grapes. So apologize for that. I'm all over the place on this, but I just wanted to show you guys really nice clearing on this McMead here. So really happy about the way it's going, and going to be really interesting to try this in a month or two once it's had time to mellow.